So here's the Office 365, okay? And computer application is we're going to get into this Office, and then we're going to learn, okay, everything in it. So your application is going to be right in here, yeah? So if you click on it, it's going to see all the applications. These are, of course, the cloud version of Word, yeah? But we can also use the local version, yeah? The local version, if you have a computer and if you're in the Windows system, it's going to be in your computer, yeah? So if you type in like this, it's going to show you, yeah? So if you go to the app link here, yeah, you're going to see right there, okay? Let me see this, what's going on with this thing. Okay, okay, this is so annoying. So let me install the transcript here. Okay. Let me go back to my channel. All right, sorry about that. And so here are the applications, okay, that what we're going to learn one by one. So the very first one is Word, followed by Excel, and then we're going to go into PowerPoint, okay? So if you click on here, you're going to see all the apps in Microsoft 365. Okay, so if you click like this, you're going to see all the apps here. You click here again, yes, and you can see this. Of course, I was showing you the local version, yeah, of your app, which you can find it here. If your computer, okay, has it, you can be able to see it under apps right there, okay? Let me change sharing into screen because I don't think you can see the local version. Okay, here we go. So the local version is going to be here, yeah? So if you type it here, W-O-R-D, Word, see? Okay, under application, yeah? You're gonna see the local version of your Word application there, yeah? And if you type in Excel, you're gonna see it right there, yeah? Under apps. Then if you type in here, PowerPoint, it's going to be in there, yeah? So that's three major Microsoft applications, computer application. You should have it in your either desktop or laptop. If you don't have it, don't worry about it, okay? We can just use this cloud app. So let me go back to the screen. Okay. So these are all free for you. So if you don't have the local version, just use the cloud. And here you can see all the apps, okay? Your Outlook is here. Yeah, Power Apps is right there. Then your stream is right here. Yeah, your team is right here. Your Word is there. Your Excel is right here. And then your PowerPoint is there, okay? And if you see this little 1, 2, 3, see more options, you can be able to pin it, yeah? So you can pin it like, oh, I'm going to use a PowerPoint. And then I'm going to use, Excel, see? It populates right here on your navigation. And then, oh, I'm going to use Word, okay? And then pin it, yeah? So first homework for you is to pin all the application that we're going to go in, we're going to do it in this class, okay? So anyways, this is my contact, yeah? Phone number, don't use it, just email me, okay? Email is right here, yeah? And then Zoom link, we don't want to use a Zoom link, just use this team, okay? Team link, because it's free for you. Office location, if you have, if you want to see me or something, okay? Yes, want to talk about the confidential stuff, just come to here, yeah, A6 on 22. Then of course, this is just a curriculum, I copy and paste it. You should have it as well, yeah, is you can read it, yeah. Then course material, you need this 3, okay? Textbook that you can go to MCC bookstore, yeah. These are not very thick textbook, they're very, very thin, all right, textbook. So if you combine all 3, it's even, like a half of your CAD textbook, so it's not that thick. you can go to the bookstore and get it, yeah. Or you can also go to this website. Let me try to pull this down a little bit. Okay, you can also go to this website, SDC Publications, okay? Here, yeah? So SDC publications.com, yeah? So if you go here, one moment, what is going on with this share thing? Let me go by here and should be doing this. This is okay. All right. So if you go to this website, you're gonna go to home, yeah, and then go to certification, okay, right there in this tab, and then go all the way down, and you're gonna see the Microsoft Word, okay. So that's the very first textbook that we need, followed by Excel and then the PowerPoint, okay. So if you go in here, there is a purchase options here. Yeah, you can either get the ebook or you can get the print book, and this is your school. Okay, school. Go to the school Barnes and Noble, and then you can be able to get it or get it from the Amazon, whichever way is easier for you. It doesn't have to be new. Yeah, there are many used textbooks on the Amazon for the same thing. Okay, if you want just the digital version of it, you can also do Red Chef and Vital Source. They're very good and reliable. This two, I don't know. Okay, there's some risk in it because sometimes they won't give you the SS code or something like that. So talk to their customer service, and that is going to take you some time. So that's up to you. You know, whichever way you want to do and to get it. If you want to skip the textbook, you can do that, but you will be heavily depending on the material, which is I provided here for you. Okay, and I'm going to show you that. Because some students want to read, yeah, want to read instead of they have a difficulty in following the tutorial video. So that's up to you. But I provide all of the needed exercise files and everything. It's just the way that you learn. Yeah, some people like to learn from the book, and some people like to learn from the video. They're very okay with following the tutorial videos. So some they don't know how to follow. So decide by yourself, okay? And of course, we don't need this getting started stuff. So the chapter start from 1 all the way down to here, yeah, 1 to 6. And we don't need this practice exam. If you want to do it, you can do it. Some of the professor who teach this course is going to force you to, take the exam in this software to prepare you for the examination. So it's up to you. You know, I don't want to force you, okay? So if you want to take the certification, it is highly recommended that you get the certification on the Office 365. So that way you are one step ahead of other job applicants, okay? And it's very, very good on your resume. And also the link, and I think they have certification badges and things like that. So anyway, so we're going to cover, yeah, chapter 1 all the way to chapter 6 right here. Yeah. All right. And then, so that's with the SDC publications. Okay. Where to get the book. Your Excel is here, and then your PowerPoint is right here. Okay. So we're going to start with this. So you don't have to buy the whole thing right away. Just get this one. If you don't want to get it, also fine, because I already provided everything you need here. The only thing you don't have is a book. The book is the same as the tutorial videos, okay? It just, they write it down step by step for you, but it's the same thing. Okay. Any questions on the textbook? The rest of the application, you don't need the book. That's a pretty small application, like the email and, you know, like things like that. So it's a pretty easy to follow. Do you have any questions on the book? So let me see this chat. It might say you have to pay for it, but sign in with your MCC email and it works. Okay, yeah. If you have any question, you can type it here or you can unmute, okay, and then ask me. Yes, Microsoft 365 is totally free. Okay, it comes with your tuition fee. So it is this one. So that is covered by your technology fees, part of your tuitions. Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking about the ones that are like are already on your computer.
Only difference is this is not local. This is on the cloud. Okay, which is inside of this dashboard.
Yeah, but like the ones that I have here, like the ones like you download on your own, you can
Yeah,
still sign in with your MCC email, and it works the
it
same
is.
as it does on the cloud.
The version is more powerful. Okay. All right. So if we don't have any question, we're going to go to the next section here. Yeah. Go all the way down. And here is your grade distribution. Okay. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. All right, so final grade distribution. So we have 16 assignments. Yeah, the assignment can be found right here in the activity. So go to assignments. You can also access directly from the left navigation bar. Okay, so we're going to start with the file organization after this introduction to your course here. Yeah, so we're going to start with the file organization, and we're going to, at that time, you're going to be, yes, bind your your Word and Excel and the PowerPoint textbook, or decide if you just want to use tutorial videos. Okay, it's up to you. So anyway, so there's a word, and then that's a zero, mean the chapter 0, yeah, which is the 0. If you look at it, I'm talking about that 0 is this. Okay, getting started, and that is just nothing. Yeah, it's just introducing you the interface of your word. So anyway, so that's a word 0. Word 1 and 2 is going to be right here. Yeah, create, manage documents is your 1, and your 2 is insert and format text, paragraphs and sections, and then your 3 is manage tables and lists. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 and 6, we complete all the way to manage document collaboration. Okay, that is a nothing. So basically, you have only, yes, about 6 chapters. All right. And then we do the same thing for the Excel. Yeah. So if you look at the Excel, the same thing. We structure the codes according to these chapters here. Yeah. So that's the Excel 1 and 2 is going to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, yeah, 5. So we have only up to 5 for Excel. And then PowerPoint. So you go to PowerPoint, and then here is your PowerPoint. And then you go in there, you're going to go to this content, and then you're going to see this. Okay, so PowerPoint 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So PowerPoint 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yeah, this is just your practice exam. Actually, these are the Microsoft questions that you can get the Microsoft certification on all these applications. Why? Because about 99% of the businesses, okay, and the company, they use yes, Office 365. Okay, that's why they're very super rich. So anyway, so then followed by the email, and then followed by Teams, the Skype, your Visio, drawing, some shapes, and then your stream is your screen recording. Okay, and then we're gonna end with the power apps. All right. Any question on the course breakdown? So let me check your chat here. Why don't textbook come with tuition and fees? It does. I think some students get like the book credit, but you have to go to the MCC. I think MCC bookstore to use your book credit. Yeah. So they have some stock for that. If they're out of it, then he is gonna, so put more books in it. My network is messing up. I'm going to leave and come right by. Okay, yeah, whoever this is, and that's fine. Yeah.
Yep, I'm back.
Then, so now let's go back to the content. So we're done with this assignment. Then your quizzes, we have only 3. Okay, that's a 30%. Assignment is 50%. So if you do all assignment, you have only 10% more to your passing grade. Okay, and your exam, we have 2 of them, and that's a 20%. I'm going to show you here. So here is your quizzes. So if you go to quizzes under activities, you're gonna see the Microsoft Word, yeah, and then Excel, PowerPoint, and then we have midterm exam, and then we have final exam. Okay, so these are your assessments. This is not so bad. Yeah, we have only 1, 2, 3 quizzes, and then 1, 2, 2 exams. Okay, and that's going to give you another 50% of the course. So this course is pretty easy, yeah, to do it. So of course, this is a normal, the same thing like copy and paste it. So that's just your grading MCC standard grade scale here. Yeah. And followed by all of this policy. Yeah, these are the same thing. From the MCC website, we put it here for you. So anyway, so any question on syllabus? How do you want us to submit the assignments? Yes, the assignments you're gonna submit right here. Yeah. So if you go to assignments under activities, you're gonna go to assignments, and then I'm gonna give you some assignment as we finish. After I finish explaining this course, I'm going to give you assignment, and then you're going to do the assignment. Of course, let me change myself into a student here, so that way I'll see the same thing you see here. So I go to assignment, and then you can submit it here. Yeah, so click onto here, see submit assignment, and then you're going to upload it. Let's say like I'm going to, let's just say like, I have finished my word exercise 1, because the word exercise is you are using the word, okay? And after you have prep and build your contents in your Word file, you should have, let's say this is a completed homework, and you can open and submit it. Okay, right now the file is empty because I didn't put anything in it, so I have to create. Okay, let me quickly create, put some word in it. Where did I put it? So okay. So anyway, so if your word, I gotta put save it here something. So let me just save a fake word file here, and okay. Okay, so I have a one fake file, so I'm just gonna upload it. I put it on my desktop. Okay, so this is a fake file. Suppose this is your exercise 1 from word 0, and then you already save it, and you can upload it here and then add it. Okay, and then you can describe, oh, this is like exercise 1 from word 0 or something like that. Yeah. And then you can submit it here. Yeah, so that's how you will be submitting the files, okay, in there one by one. Okay, so let me see your chat. So Cameron Robinson, are you okay with how to submit the assignments? Okay, good. And then let's see the next person, Bryce. In my book list, they said any textbook required for this course. They said any, no, that is their mistake. Okay, they update a little bit slow. It's gonna pop up right in there. Okay, just go with the professor syllabus. Okay, don't go with the bookstore website. Sometimes they forget to update it, or some issue going on. Okay, so just make sure you check the course, and then syllabus is the most important document for what you need. Okay, and they're gonna restock it, so you just have to wait. They're just slow. Okay, you can also buy it directly from this sdcpublications.com. Okay, all right, Bryce. And then I missed a solid half an hour of this meeting because of technical difficulties. Anyway, I can, yeah, we recorded it. Okay, so I'm gonna upload it recording later. Yeah, tonight. We're not doing anything. We're just explaining this how to get to the class and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, she is recording. All right, so are we able to work ahead? Yes, yes. You gotta work. I don't mind. Okay, if you're faster, go ahead and do it, and yeah, so because everything is given there for you, so all you have to do is just yeah, do your assignment, do your assessment, and then upload it. Okay, submit the quiz, of course. So just to check, we do not need to use a VM Horizon program to submit assignment. Remote access is given to you because some of the students don't like to use this Office 365. Okay, they want to use how can I say it? They want to use a local version of okay Word because this book is written on a local version, kind of old this book is. So it is written on the local version of the Word. Yeah. So instead of the cloud versions, they want to use a local version. At that time, you can be able to do this remote access. Yeah. So go to here and I give you the remote access, okay? Here, how to access an MCC PC remotely. So you get a more powerful Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, okay? And then I think they changed the VMware name. The new name is Omniser, but it's on the same, okay, same link, I think. All right, and then, all right, so
Are you able to show us again how to get to the assignment so we can do them?
then, what exactly is the assignment for the first assignment file organization? Yeah, we're gonna come to that, okay? We're gonna come to that after we explain everything here. VI Horizon is just to remote into a PC on campus to use Word on a PC. If you have Word and PP at home, just use that. Yeah, VM Verizon this remote access give you access to all of our applications in engineering technology. Yeah, so we have programming application, we have CAD applications, electrical, like software in there. So if you want to use them, you can use them. Okay, we also have, of course, Microsoft local version of it in these PCs. So that's up to you. If you have everything at your home, you don't need it. So this is just giving you a resource, optional resource. If you want to use it, you're welcome to use it. Okay, so let's get back to here. Yeah. So then we finish with this yes, a syllabus. And where am I? The syllabus. So we're gonna go into schedule here. Yeah, schedule is important because that's how the course is like uh built. Okay, so we're gonna do January 21st. That's our first week, and your class one is going to be a file organization. Okay, um, we're combining, like two class in one class hour time. So in 1 week, you should have two, okay, classes. So therefore, there's class one and two, but you're supposed to be doing, let's just say you have two different things that you have to do for 1 week, okay? Even though because of the remote class, we only have only one class time, all right, on this team, okay? So, but this is what you have to do a week. Okay, so class one and two. So you only have to do, yes, two topics. Okay, two topics, subtopics per week. All right, so the file organization is due on January 26th, and I'm going to give you what you got to do for the file organization. Then followed by word 0, which is going to be this guy. Yeah? Word 0. So you go back here, it's just getting started, which is just showing you, like what word is. So, okay, let me just go back. I'm so used to using this local version. So let me go this over here. Yeah. Okay, so here is a blank document. And then when you open it, you're going to be seeing all of this. Okay. So anyway, so file, home, insert, layout, references, review, view, and help. Okay. When you go to the local version, okay, so if you go to local version of it, gonna go here. Can you see the local version? Or am I in the browser? My file sharing. Can you see the local word? Cannot or can? Can you see it? Okay, here is a local version of your word. Yeah, the same thing. See, blank document. See, this is inside of the browser. You're gonna see the cloud version of your word. Yeah, here, see, that's the cloud version of the word. It's just a little bit different. Okay, so we have the same thing here. Yeah, insert, and then local version has a draw. They don't have it. Okay, we also have design and local. They don't have it. We have layout references. We have mailing here, but they don't have it. See, so you can see, of course, that you have developer, yeah, in the local version, and they don't have it. So these are the differences between the local and the cloud version, okay, of your browser version of your Word. Um, why do I give you the remote access? Is if you do not subscribe, yeah, and you don't have local version in your desktop or laptop, then you can use this. Okay, why? Because the curriculum textbook is based on the local version of the Word. Okay, all right. So now let me go back here. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so your first week work is files organization, and I'll show you how to do that. And then you're gonna do the first chapter of your Word. Okay. If you don't have a textbook, don't worry about it. Yeah, we will go and use this provided material. So your provided material is right here. Okay, so let's go in there, and then we're gonna go to class here. Yeah, and here is the tutorial video. Okay, so these tutorial videos are okay under download. When you buy the book, you're going to have access, okay, to the exercise files, and these exercise files are okay is right in here. Okay, this one. Yeah, so if you click on this little link, okay, arrow down, you're going to see the download. See, so if you download it, you will get the same thing as this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here, and you can open your folder here, and you can
If you
see
don't mind me asking,
let's
are you
see
gonna put all the videos in there? Because it only shows that there are two.
yeah, and you go to this download and see Word exercise 5. I rename it Word needed 5, but they're the same. Yeah, then you can extract it. Right click and then extract all. Okay, and then extract. So if you extract it, it's gonna open. Yeah, this is zip. So we don't need this anymore. So delete that. And you can open it, and you're gonna see completed practice tests. And then of course introduction to architect. Okay, architecture is your exercise of file. You will be opening that, and then you're gonna follow the tutorial video. Okay, and in there, it's going to tell you what to do with the title, what to do with the content tags. Okay, so let's go back to here. Yeah. So when you go to here, tutorial video is going to start. Okay, this is not just a single video. It has a 200 video right in there. This is just me uploading, all of the all the related videos right in there. So there are 12 of them in there. Yeah. So there are them. And of course, this is not important. Why? Because these are from the previous semester. Okay, you can ignore it, but I will be putting into it, all the Zoom or Teams or recording and stuff like that. I put it in there, so people can be able to have access to it. Anyway, so this is your textbook. Okay, audio textbook. So when you go in here, you're gonna start the tutorial, right? This is just showing you from the previous semester. I haven't deleted yet. So you're gonna start from the third, okay, the third video, which is your Microsoft Word, search for text, find command, okay, CC. So that's the beginning. Okay, so if you look at it, I'm just going to see this, right? And this line, okay? You can acted. So anyway, tell you what to follow. It's gonna teach you this application. Okay, all you have to just follow. See, look at this. It's only 23 seconds. Okay, well, the video number 2 is only 30 seconds. Okay, so you shouldn't have any kind of issue. Yes, doing it. Yeah, you should finish like one chapter in like 2 hours, I guess. Yeah, if you're very, very slow. If you're fast, you can finish it within an hour. Okay, any question on the assignment? So which is
Um,
0, the
I'm
very
still kind of confused in regards as to, I know the first assignment is file organization,
videos are right in there.
but like,
Plus there's more G
do
right.
we just upload?
And this is your native
Yeah,
file.
like right
Same way
there.
so PowerPoint. Okay, let me see.
So,
So basically, once we download the files needed, we just upload those files for assignment. No, you have to work in it. You're studying the application. Okay, so it's showing you right what to do in this file. Don't just put this back in. It's going to show you empty if you didn't do the exercise. Okay, so make sure you do the exercise. The exercise is in this video. Okay, which
so
is
the exercise in the video is what we're
just
uploading to the
like writing
assignment.
text for you, and this is showing you how to follow it. So if you use a video, it's faster. Yeah, so that's up to you. And yes, of course, you're gonna work in that. Okay, in this file, and then you're gonna upload this file. Okay, to your assignment, which is going to be under here, yeah, in the activities. So if you go to activities, the assignment link is right there. And once you finish it, upload it here, yeah, for word 0. Okay, so if you go into word 0, yeah, you're gonna see, yes, please upload word 0 in class exercises here. Okay.
Can you show me what word 1 would be, or what the next one would look like? Because I know they're like 200 videos.
So let me answer your stuff. May you Zoom? Yes, Zoom is only for yes, for like appointment meeting. For class, we are using Teams. Okay. Yes, I see. Okay, so if anyone need help with local version, let me know. Oh, okay, cool. Um, I think the professor does not hear. Yeah, if you mute it, I don't hear you. Okay, so make sure you unmute. So make sure you unmute. Okay, your mic
Are
here.
you able to hear me now?
So when I look at it, let's say like Hardy Wilson is on, see, he is on mute. So all you have to just unmute it. Okay, then I can hear you. So whoever talking, if you have
I'm
questions, please let me know. Um,
I'm speaking. Are you able to hear me?
okay, so if you don't have more questions, so let's go back here. We know what to do for this week.
King Silviana, I think the professor doesn't hear you.
Word 0.
Yeah, I'm not
Okay,
sure what she's. I
you
don't know.
February 2nd. Yeah, 1 and 2 is 9. So you have plenty of time. Yeah, very about 2 weeks to do. Yes, the first 3. Okay.
I think the best way, I think you have to write your question, and she will read after and answer you.
For you, I was speaking.
Okay.
It's not muted. Yeah, I can't hear you. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with yes your stuff.
Um, let me see.
Yeah, I know I can see you're talking, but I can't hear you. So probably I think yeah, I don't know why everybody. Okay. One moment. I have a call here coming in. Okay, let me answer. I'll be back.
Yeah, I think it's something going on with her computer. Cause I can hear you guys as well. So
Yeah, I can hear you fine too.
Yeah, so it has to be her. She might have to like leave out and join back. I don't get how she wants these assignments done. Does anybody else understand it?
I asked and I totally don't understand how she explained it either.
Yeah, no,
So
because
at least it's not just me.
you know, because
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
like,
also
Does anybody
confused.
understand?
uh,
I mean, if
and
there's anyone that understands, I would love to know.
yeah, please and thank you. Because I'm like, I see the tutorial video and it says 200 videos, but I mean, she doesn't have them labeled like word 1, 2, 3, 4 through 100 or nothing like that. It's just I think we have to probably just wing it, I guess. But I don't want to wing it and fail because this is a super easy class, I guess.
Exactly. But that's the thing is you pull up this exercise of this architecture thing, and there's literally
Mhm.
nothing at the bottom to complete. So I don't understand
So,
what we're supposed to be doing and uploading.
let me see something. I'm gonna see if I can share my screen. Take control. I guess I have to wait for her to. Well, I can see if I can try to like. Let me see if I can share it this way. Oops. Can you see me or no? Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so I guess when she had us go here, if my computer works, and then once you download the videos here, you can already downloaded it. I just want to show you guys. And then go here. It'll pop up
Wait,
like this.
why do we
Oops.
need to download them? You can just click the link.
For me, it's easier doing it that way. If I can find where I
Okay.
went to.
Yeah.
And then once you download it, if I can find where I just put it, this one right here. If you click on it and when it opens up, I guess will it open up in this one?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
when you go here, it'll show you like each one right here,
I cannot hear
like
you
the
out of
different assignments.
for some reason. Let me check why.
Was that helpful at all or no?
It was.
So yeah, so I think each one, so the first one actually goes through that actual article that she gave and it tells you what to fix on it. So yeah, like as I scroll through, it'll show you what she wants us to do with it, how to submit it and everything. Was she back or she's not back yet?
She was just talking. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, this class might not go so well.
I'm thinking the same thing.
So, should we begin the assignments or?
I mean, we can technically. I mean, I started them.
Fair.
Yeah, it's easier going through the videos. And once it shows you like which project you're doing, I just back up and then open the file and see which one's which, and then I'm figuring it out.
Okay.
Okay, she's back.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
What is going on here? I have no idea what's going on. Let me check the setting and see if my Bluetooth is overriding this. Okay, where's my audio setting? Okay, here is my audio setting. I'm gonna disable that. Should be. Oh, okay, Zoom is on. Okay, we're in actually the right, okay, place here. I don't know. Okay, maybe it's somebody in the middle or disable whatever. I have no idea. Okay. So anyway, I'm right here, and you should be able to hear me. Okay. Can you hear me now? Yes. Okay. Okay. So you can hear. So that's good. Okay, I'm gonna leave and come back. Okay, and see if that's gonna fix it. Okay, one moment.
Quick question. So I see assignment 1. What was assignment 0 again? Which one did she click on for that?
That's what I'm wondering. I'm trying to figure out where exactly we find the videos that we're supposed to be working off of.
Yeah, because I found assignment 1. Because remember when I had showed you how to download that one? I downloaded it and I see the other ones. I see 1 through whatever other ones. I just don't see 0.
Yeah, see,
I'm
I
like,
see word 0, word 1 and 2. Now, but the videos, were the videos under the original file organization one? Or are they under another file?
Fix it. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I can hear you.
Oh, all right. I found the videos. Don't mind me. Kind of
It's
slow
okay.
today.
Which one is 0 though? That's the question.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yes.
It might be her speaker setting on her computer.
All right. Okay, now let me go back and share the screen here. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what you're saying. Oh, camera. Honestly, in-person classes are starting to sound preferable. Yeah, that's up to you, okay? If you like the in-person, you can move over there because this is provided to people who are, yes, who don't have time to come to class, okay? So that is up to you, okay? If you are, yes, working somewhere outside, then you can be able to, like take classes remotely because, it's more convenient. Okay, you may need to go into your audio settings in Team and make sure it's on the correct device. It is on the correct device, it just, I don't know why, okay? Well, anyway, so let's just
Okay, I found the ones for Word. It's actually video
wasting our time.
7 on
No,
the
that
list.
isn't working, so we're gonna try to fix it later, okay? I don't know what seems to be the issue, okay? Our network, as you know, there are many hands on it, yeah? And we can check everybody in this network. Okay, all right, let's go back to here. So that's how we're gonna do, okay, for TK 101. You have all the way from here to there, 16 weeks, okay, minus 2 weeks for breaks and then 2 weeks for a midterm and your final exam, okay? Okay. All right, so we're gonna get started with the file organization, okay? All right, what I want you to do, okay, file organization is to make sure that you know where to save your files, okay? So when you go to here, since we're doing the cloud version of your Microsoft 365, we're going to use this My MCC, okay? And your file organization, your file has got to be saved under OneDrive, okay? So is here, when you go to here, you're going to see the app, okay, launcher right there, this little 9 dots, and you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to the same place, okay? And when you get to here, I can exit this out and show you here, yeah? So if you can go directly from here, but sometimes there is a, okay, password lock. So we usually go directly from this Outlook, okay? And then you click on this, okay? And you're gonna see all the apps, yeah? So click on more apps, and it's gonna take you, okay, Office 365, okay, page. And your OneDrive is right here, okay? This is where you're gonna organize all of your files, all right? And when you look at it, this is where you put all of your files, okay? Quick Access is gonna just automatically populate it, everything that you're doing, okay? Because this is kind of like a SharePoint in our organization. So you're gonna have all of your files populated here automatically, yeah? But we don't care about it. Your file organization is going to be, okay, in this folder, yeah, which is my files, okay? This is where you're going to save all of your files, yeah, instead of saving it to your local hard drive, yeah. Local hard drive, you can go directly to here, and if you are on student, okay, lab PC or whatever, you're going to see it in this PC, and you will see the drives here, yeah. So window, you're going to have your C, okay, and then in the network location, you should have your S drive, okay. That's another location you're going to be able to save your files, okay. All right, so now let's go back to the cloud version, okay, to OneDrive, and you're going to see my files right there, yeah. And here, if you want to upload a file or the folder, we usually upload the entire folder, yeah, because it's easier that way. So after you have done your assignments and homework and everything, okay, you can be able to make your files like that. Let's say if you're working on Word, we're gonna just make a Word folder, okay, and some student would like to put, okay, sorry about TEK, okay, 101, because this class is 101, and then of course that's a word, okay. So all the homework you can be able to save in this spot. So let's say you have finished, okay, doing your assignment. Let's go back here, and we are going to get this, okay, word exercise. Let's say you have already, okay, done your homework. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it, okay, and put it into here. So let's say you have finished, okay, using this exercise file. You can add your last name here, yeah? And this is going to mark, oh, it's not the template anymore. This is, you know, already completed assignment, okay, Word file. So it's in there under this folder, okay, you have. So after you finish that, let's say we have all the save files right in this folder, you can be able to upload it, all right, directly to here. Yeah, all you have to do is just folder upload, and here you have your files upload, and you can use these app if you want to create, because this is like your desktop, okay. So from here to here is the same thing as what we're doing here, yeah. If you click with a right click on it, you're gonna see the same thing, your folder, and then your office application, everything that you want to make a new file, okay, can be able to make it right. The same thing as that, okay? So see if I click, oh, here, give me the name of this, okay, Word document. I'm just going to put it AAA, and I create it. okay, it's gonna go into that. Yeah, see, automatically. And then you work on it, and then you can, okay, this is automatically saved. Yeah, so that's another thing that's pretty good. So when you look at it, see, there's no save in this Word web version of your Word. Okay, it's automatically save it for you. So let's go back to here to the OneDrive, and you can see you have created this AAA, okay, Word file in this folder. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and exit out. So file organization, when you take a look at this, see like how this is chaotic because you have like a Word document floating here, another one floating here. So this is one reason why we don't use, okay, the right filing system like that. Just go ahead and delete this. So everything that you have done, you can save it, yeah. And once you save it, you can be able to organize in the way you want it. And we usually do it by using this folder. So you go to my add new, you can upload the entire folder, yeah. Go to the desktop, yeah. And if your folder is right here, it's gonna appear, yeah. So when you look at it, on my desktop, I have Python exercises. Okay, I have another Whitmer in here, and the TK101 Word is right there. Yeah, and I'm gonna upload that file folder and click up. Okay, it's gonna go into there, and here is your folder. Okay, so if you go into there, you're gonna see, yeah, your exercise file is going to be right in here. Okay, then you can go back, of course, here, this is your navigation of your files. So go back to my files and it's gonna bring you back to your folder. Okay, so when you look at it, there's a little 3 dot here, and that's your more actions icon. And if you click on it, okay, it's gonna give you the menu, what you can do with the files, yeah. Some people like to change the color of the folder color. Some people just like to leave it as it is, okay. And you can favorite it if you want to put it, okay, under favorite, so it's easier for you to access to it. You can download the entire thing if you want to, okay. If you download it, it will zip it up and download it straight into your download, okay. So when you go to this download folder here, you can be able to see OneDrive, and you download it on January 23rd, 2025. You know, extract it is right click and then extract all, and it's going to extract everything for you, okay, in the same download folder. So it's just right there. And we usually killed, all right, deleted all the unnecessary files in your, okay, in your download folder, so you won't be confused, okay, which one is what, yeah. I don't need this. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it because I've already extracted the word exercise file, okay. Yep. So here is your OneDrive. If you open it, you're going to get your TK101, and then you're going to get your exercise file right there. Yeah, so that's your upload and download and how to store your files, okay, right in there. This is just showing you that I can delete, okay, one of my file right in there, but that's okay. What I want you to do is I want you to be very systematic and organized instead of having too many, you know, junk files in your folder, okay, which is your OneDrive folder right in here under my file. So this is your parent and this is your child folders right in there, okay. So once you finish it, you can be able to delete it if you don't need it anymore, yeah. The attachment is automatically saving from your email and things like that, so you can leave it just like that, okay. These are, yeah, from other class, so I just leave it there, but I don't really need it anyway, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. So this is how you organize your files, yeah. You know how to use the menu, and that is under 3 little dot here, yeah, dot all the way. You can share it, you can copy the link, you can put that link into your email and send it to somebody to, you know, take it out from your files, you know, OneDrive. They can be able to access your OneDrive and download it if you give them permission to do it. So the rest of them are the same thing, okay. You can manage the access, lock it, or give permission. You can request the files to copy, share, Okay, download your favorite. You can rename. You can move it to somewhere else. You can also copy. Okay, and of course, this is automate. By using the Power BI, we can automate everything. But for this class, it's not included in the curriculum. Yeah, but for your learning, you can automate it. So that way, if you have like so many files, you can be able to use automation to minimize, okay, your work. Any question on file organization, how I want you to save your files in this cloud, okay?
I had one
So if you
question.
type it in
Is
now,
there
yeah.
a way that
So
is
let me go.
there a way that we
Can you show us an example of the first assignment? The one called file organization. Your first assignment is what I just showed you, okay? You are gonna make a folder and you're gonna create a file inside of that folder, okay, which is this. I am creating a folder named TK101 Word, and I put introduction to architecture, okay, and then I rename it by putting my last name into it, yeah. So this is just a file inside of the folder, yeah. And then I upload it into my MCC Office 365 OneCloud, okay? The entire folder with the file in it. It doesn't have to be this file. You can create any file in it, okay? As long as you don't put your personal information, doesn't matter what file you create, it's okay. Just put a file, create a folder, and I want you to upload, okay, the folder. And I want you to clean up all of your mess, okay, inside of your OneDrive. It will be better like your first, okay, page under my files, which is this guy, has only the folders. Yeah. So file organization is I'm putting this a document without the folders because I just want to show you this is just a junk. Yeah. For junk, all you have to do is delete it. Okay. Right now I can delete it. Then something is clashing here. So I'm going to find out why. It's just a technology glitch. Okay. For now. So anyway, you should be having, okay, OneDrive, my files, and your files got to be so organized like this, meaning eliminate everything you don't need. I sincerely don't want to see floating, okay, too many files for loading and they're not under a particular folder. Yeah. So since this is our class is TK101, you're gonna make a TK101, the first parent folder under your MyMCC Office 365 OneDrive parent my files folder. Yeah. The rest of the document you've got, you're gonna organize it in appropriate folders you will create, okay, by yourself. So basically, I want you to, okay, after you have organized your OneDrive folder, I want you to give me a screenshot of it like this, okay? If I see like file like this, I'm just showing you document, okay, .docx. That is a junk file. It's floating outside of the folders, yeah? So the second page is your second parent folder under the first parent folder, which is your My Files, yeah? So this got to be in one of these folder, yeah? So if you have like the junk file, since I cannot delete it, okay? Since I cannot delete it, I can just put it into somewhere, okay? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into there. And let's see, it's gonna be under this TEK101 Word, okay? So anyway, so I want a very clean second page, which is under my files of this first page. And I want you to screenshot it, yeah? So now you have organized your file in this way. And I want you to upload this, okay, save it. Use the snipping tool so you can snip it very easily. Then go to the desktop. And then you're gonna write it file, okay, organization. And then you can put your last name if you want to. If you don't want it, it's okay too. Some people like to put the old style, the underscore, okay, like that. It's okay too, right? As long as I see like file organization, yeah, JPG or PNG, okay, that's fine. And that's a picture file. And then you're gonna save it, yeah. And I want that. And you're going to turn it in right here. Yeah. So let's go back to our class and go to the activities, go to the assignment. Yeah. And then go to the file organization. And I'm going to change myself into a student so I can upload it. Then go to the activity assignment and then open this. Okay. And submit it in there. Yeah. So add a file, computer, upload it, and go to the desktop. Yeah, I put it yes, right here. Yeah, file organization, and then open it and edit. And that's your assignment, and submit it. Okay, and make sure you click done, otherwise it won't come to me. Yeah, so see, I already submitted and check if the submission go through. So submission did go through. Yeah, that's your ID. So that's a file number in our server. So that's so many fonts right in there. So file organization morgan.jpg is in there. Yeah. If you open it, you can see, and that's the little picture that I just created by screen shooting. Okay, my OneDrive, my files, folders. Yeah, very neat and tidy. No junk files on the second page. Okay, and I have put everything systematically where it should be. Okay, and different folders. Yeah, and yes, so that's what I want you to do. Do you have any question on the first assignment?
Can you hear me or no?
Yes.
She just still can't hear me. I'll just recopy it and see if she sees it.
So let's go back to answering your chat. So can you show us assignment 0 to 4 for Word, please? Okay, so your assignment 0 to 4, okay, is right here. So this is your Word. Go to content 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you see it? And they are in this video. If you don't have the textbook, you can use the tutorial videos. Yeah, and they are right in here, right there. And it's in here. Yeah, so if you click it, it's going to start from the third video. Yeah, go all the way down. You're going to have a little bit of issue to see, like, on which video what's in it. So that's if that was your question, is in here. Yeah, content. Then you go to assignments. Yeah, and when you look at it here, yeah, you're gonna see the word 0. It just getting started. It just what I just explained it to you. Yeah, so the word 0. And then 1 and 2, they are in tutorial video, 1 all the way. Okay, so you go 3 to 25. Yeah, so if you go to here, you're gonna see the tutorial videos in here. Go to there. There are 200 videos right in there. Yeah, see that? So it's gonna start with video number 3. So I put the video number 3 all the way to 25. Yeah, go all the way down and down. So you're gonna cut off right here, 25. And that's a chapter 0, 1, and 2. Okay. All right, so I have answered your question on assignment 0 to 4 for Word. Is right there, and the cutoff line, you can read it here, yeah? So Word 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Video number 3 to 25, video number 26 to 39, video number 40 to 59. Each video is just a few seconds long because it's just showing you one move in your cursor move in your word file. They're very easy, by the way. Don't feel bad about it because it is new for you to study this way. And this is what we're doing, by the way. Our generation is we do everything on the computer. Not like the old school style teaching you in person inside of the classroom, because every company training is going to be just you and the computer. Okay, there won't be anybody who is going to show you, especially in our technology world. We have to depend on ourselves. Just you and your computer, and everything that you need. Softwares are in the computer that you have to work with in our career. Okay. All right. So that's the answer for word 0 all the way to 4. Okay. We finished with that. Then you may need to go into your audio settings in Teams and make sure it's on the correct device. Yeah, I know, but right now, yes, I can't be able to fix it, even though it is on the correct. Yeah, so I'm going to show you this. So when you look at this, okay, and this is the correct device, by the way. Yeah. So I don't have this. I have no idea whose stuff is populating right there. Yeah. And this is the correct device. And I am speaking, so it's going. It's just that I can't hear you, okay? And definitely not this too. Yeah. So it looks like something on the network is preventing it. So anyway, then let's go there. I found assignment 0. Its video is number 7. Yes, assignment 0 all the way to word 0, word 1, 2, 3, 4, and all this video is I tag it here for you. Yeah, I skipped this like that is because it really is nothing. It's just introducing you, what you have for getting started. So if you look at the label for the video, it says if it's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Yes, correct. So if you look at this, she's saying, is it he or she? She. Okay, so if you look at it, see the video numbers are right here. Yeah, the video numbers are right there. And the video number, see, is right here. Yeah. Yeah, so you know how to navigate it. And if you forget about it, where that is, it is under assignment. Yes, under assignment. Excel, the same thing. See, 96 to 192. So here, yeah. I'm a very organized person. It's just that you got to learn how I work, okay? And you can be able to easily follow it. I know that this is a different way of doing, because MCC is a very traditional, yeah, organization or institution, and we come from a heavy technology background. So we use a lot of stuff on the computer. So anyway, it's in there, okay? See the number, and here is your number. So you shouldn't have any kind of issue to find the video, yeah? Because I spent hours to structure this course. So anyway, so it's that. It's very good for your resume, by the way, if you do want to take the certification, okay? Because this is the Microsoft certification for not everybody, okay, for engineering technology. All right, then let's go back here and see. If you look at the label for the video, okay, that's cool. All right. Is there a way to rewatch today? Yes, I will post. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. After we finish this class, I'm just going to upload it here. You're going to see 13. Okay, video 13 is going to come in here. These are just from the previous semester. So video 13 is going to be our today's class. Okay. All right. Then, so I'm done with that. Likely will be, but I don't know where. Yeah, it's gonna be right in there. So where is it? Under tutorial videos. Okay. Then I posted that a while ago. You do not need to repeat yourself. Yeah, I don't know what you're saying about right here, Cameron. So we don't have to turn anything in for the first assignment, file organization. No. Okay, you have to turn in. You have to turn in the screenshot of your organized OneDrive, My Files, second page, which is this guy. Yeah. So make sure you screenshot it by using the snipping tool. You can find the snipping tool in your computer. Yeah. So if you type it in, it's gonna come out snipping tool in your computer, or you can use any other screen shooting. If you don't have a screenshot application, then you can take a picture with your phone. Okay, what I want to see is this fully organized, clean, neat, all right, tidy organization of your files. Okay, and save that. I already showed you how to do it. Anyway, save it and upload that picture screenshot into this assignment. Okay, into this assignment here. Yeah, so that's what you have to do. Why didn't I put this? Because I want you to attend the class. Okay. So anyway, so that's your first assignment. All right. So we're done with this. Once we're done, then do what? Once you're done, you keep going. Yeah. So you go word 0 and then word 1, 2, and then keep going. Get a book if you need it. If you don't need it, start with your tutorial videos. There are 200 of them. Okay, minus the first 2. I don't need that too. So start from 3, so 90. Yes, 198 videos that you have to do. Okay, just keep going. Don't waste your time. I can upload from OneDrive. I don't know why you cannot upload. Okay, show me. Go ahead and share your screen, Nicholas. So go ahead and do screen share. So your screen share is right there. I'm going to stop mine. Hi, Nicholas. So could you go ahead and share your screen? Yeah. Yeah, I see you have uploaded. That's pretty good. Yeah. So what I want you to do is take a screenshot of that organized of files of your OneDrive and then upload that picture. That's it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go Nicholas. Yes, you can upload it. No, not in the Word. You're in the wrong place. Go to a file organization. Yeah. Yep, that one. I see you already got it right there. File organization. See, submission is already in there. So you're done. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, very good job. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. Is very simple. Yeah, very, very simple to do it. Okay, now let me go back. Where am I? Okay, so we're done with this thing. All right, and I put mine under the T101 folder, not my files. Is that okay? Yeah, I don't care what your folder and files are. I care that your file organization is truly organized, okay, systematically upload. Your job is to practice how to systematically upload and file it. We call it file because we're doing a filing. Okay, if you just throw in all the files and floating 100 files right on the first page, that wouldn't be filing. Okay, that would be just psychopathic upload right there. Yeah, or chaotic. So you're gonna put all of your chaotic files into a systematic filing, okay, and put the first folder, I'm going to put MET blah blah blah. The second folder, I'm going to put TEK blah blah blah, yeah, and do that. Yeah, all my personal stuff, I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, so on the first page, got to be like this, okay? So what do? You eliminate, delete everything that you don't need, okay? So every semester, you're gonna, yes, it is better that in computer, okay, system, the less file you have, the better for your RAM, yeah, your memory, okay? And the less opening application that you have, the better your processing, okay, rate is. So it is better that your computer stay very clean, okay? So therefore, because files, they take space, okay? Spaces are very important for your memory. So if you have a lot of file, your computer got to remember all of that. You have all the junk, so it got confused, okay? So therefore, you start to get all the crash and glitches. So it's better that you, in our technology field, all right, especially in engineering technology, you gotta be very clean, okay? Your brain gotta be clear and your computer got to be clean. Yeah, so if you have a clean computer, you know exactly where you put your file, you can be able to get it, okay? And that's very important when we work at the industries, okay? We call it efficiency. If you're spending like about 20 minutes trying to find where your stuff are, like some people have like a desktop that has like thousands of files right in there, you have no idea what's going on, right? We don't want that, yeah? So eventually you will be placed on the layoff list, okay? Maybe you will survive maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, who knows, yeah? And they will get rid of you, yeah, if you're not truly efficient at your work. So make sure that you are neat and tidy in your filing systems, and you're gonna practice from now, yeah, because you guys are freshmen and a sophomore year in your education, yes. So that's very, very important. So you can locate any file that you need, okay, very quickly, okay. That's what we're practicing, and you will be doing this throughout the semester and beyond, yeah. All right, then let's see. I'd rather watch the video. I put mine under the blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. The speaker button is crossed out in your settings, so which means it's muted. Let me see. Okay, so here is the audio option. I don't know, okay? I have, oh, here we go. Oh, good job, yeah. I didn't see it, okay? Sorry about this. That's my
Are you able to hear us now?
Yes, oh my gosh,
Oh,
yeah. Who is this guy, Sean? Oh my gosh, yeah. Saving my life. Yeah, I didn't see it. Yeah, maybe I need glasses. So anyway, yeah, we totally didn't see this, okay? Yeah, sorry about this. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Sean. All right, now I can hear you. Yeah, now I can hear you. Okay, Amy is a good student. So have we covered all the necessary content for today? Yes, finish, yeah. And I think we still have to cover the word zero assignment. I think I already did. If we feel comfortable, can I take the quiz and exam? Not yet, okay? Because the quiz, I need to delete some of the old questions. So if you accidentally get into it, retake it, but don't do it right now, okay? It should be ready by the end of this week. So do it like from, I would say, you know, like the quizzes will be ready by January 27, yeah, and onwards. Don't do it right now because we just uploaded from the previous semester and I need to change some of the questions, yeah? So we won't be using the repeated questions in there. All right, any question instead of typing? Sorry about it, you know, I should have seen this earlier. You can talk now, yeah?
you answered all my questions. Thank you.
That's good. Yeah, so if you are a fast learner and you want to take the quizzes and your exams, yeah, you can do it. If you also want to test out, let me know. I will give you the comprehensive final exam and you can test it out. Yeah, you don't have to stay here the entire semester. So that's up to you. But the test is not the same as the final exam. Okay, it's not the same. This is a standard rate. So the test also is going to be comprehensive for this 3 book. Same as the certification exam. So anybody who have interest in doing that, let me know. Okay. Any more questions?
I'm all set.
We okay? Yeah, that's it for today, and I will go ahead and upload this video for you guys later. Yeah, probably I do it tomorrow. Yeah, today is kind of busy. Yeah, and it's gonna populate right here in this tutorial video. Okay, and there I will put it in there. The second one. Yeah, it will come up with the 13 video. It looks easy, but it isn't that easy. So just be careful. I do give you 2 chances, I think. So you can do like a 2, you can do 2 times, I believe. Let me check. I usually give you guys 2 attempts. Yeah, I did. So they're not easy. Okay, you might think, oh, this is just a Microsoft Word or whatever, I don't care. I already know everything. But yes, if you yes, certification is not the same as daily use. Okay, certification is there is a part of education aspect in it. So therefore, there's MCQ and stuff. Yeah, so make sure that you pay attention to these little things. And there's 2 attempts for you guys to do it. Make sure you study. You have unlimited time. Yeah, so because we have an inclusive student, so you have totally unlimited time that you can be able to take the quiz. And don't take it right now. Yeah, I want to check everything, and I'm going to announce it. Oh, the quiz is ready for you to go ahead and take it probably by the end of Sunday. Yeah, so it should be ready from 27 and onwards. The tutorial videos cover the word 1 assignments onward. Yes, the word 0, 1, yeah, and all the way to the end of that, or word 6. Like I said, word 0, okay, I combine it. So if you think about it, let me show you again. I combined it, yeah, with word 1 and 2, because this is nothing. It's just getting started, just showing you what the word interface is. Yeah, your word interface is pretty easy on these things. Yeah, of course your real assignments start from word 1 to you can just go number like 325. You can upload, all right, the same document in here, and here is the same thing. Yeah, because you're working on this. It's very simple. Just change this title to text 12 to 16, things like that, bold it. You should finish it in like an hour. All right, word 0 assignment does not clearly define which tutorial video to use. No, I didn't, because it is nothing in there. Yeah, that is getting started when you actually, because you don't have a textbook right now, so therefore you're confused. So don't be confused. So from here, okay, to here is just starting. Yeah, so therefore you can do this, and you can upload the same document into Word 1. Yeah. Okay. All right, I finished all of this. So do you have any questions? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing. Do you guys have any more questions? Okay, if there's no more question, yeah, go ahead and leave the meeting. Yeah, if you have a question, just ask me, send me email. Yeah, I am going to answer your questions for you.